Hello dear fans. Which countries are located on the Balkan Peninsula? In recent years, the mysterious Balkans have attracted more and more tourists from all over the world. For some, this is a way to spend a vacation on a budget. To some, these places seem exotic and unusual. It will be useful for both of them to know which states are on the Balkan Peninsula. One of the striking features of this region is that it is incredibly contrasting. Many residents of Russia, which occupies a huge territory, find it difficult to understand how so many states manage to fit on one peninsula at once. And it's even more difficult to understand how they, so different, manage to get along with each other. After all, what countries do not lie on the Balkan Peninsula, Christian and Muslim, with beach and ski resorts, are very different and at the same time very similar. Albania. The republic is located in the western part. Among the countries that are located on the Balkan Peninsula, this is one of the smallest in terms of population. It is home to less than about 2.8 million people. The capital is Tirana. One of the less popular places among tourists, however, in recent years, the service has rapidly developed here. Bulgaria. The state, located in the eastern part of the peninsula, occupies 22% of its area, has a population of more than 7 million people. The capital is Sofia. For many years, visa-free entry to this country was opened for Russians. Now, like for most other states, you can enter here from Russia with a Schengen visa. The country is popular as a beach resort. Bosnia and Herzegovina, a tiny country in the western part of the peninsula with a population of approximately 3.5 million people. The capital is Sarajevo. An excellent option for sightseeing holidays in a temperate climate. Greece. One of the most popular tourist destinations in the region. This country is also one of the most densely populated among the Balkans, more than 10 million people. The capital is Athens. Italy. One of the fashionable capitals of the world is also included in the list of countries located on the Balkan Peninsula. The population is over 60 million people. The capital is Rome. Not only shopping lovers, but also fans of beach or ski holidays strive here from all over the world. Macedonia. The republic has a population of just over 2 million people. The capital is Skopje. This state has no outlet to the sea. But it boasts mighty mountains, beautiful lakes and ancient cities with amazing architecture. Romania. According to the works of Bram Stoker and oral folk art, this country is the birthplace of Count Dracula. It is also a great option for a budget European vacation. This state is quite crowded in comparison with its neighbors on the peninsula. The population is slightly less than 20 million people. The capital is Bucharest. Serbia. A small state with a population of just over 7 million people and the capital in the city of Belgrade. Located in the central part of the peninsula. There is a truly rich program for a tourist with any request: mountains, lakes, ancient architecture. Unless there is no sea. Slovenia. Another tiny country with a population of just over 2 million people and the capital with a touching name is Ljubljana. It is located in the pre-alpine part of the peninsula. Ski holidays are well developed here and are much cheaper than in other countries with access to the Alps. Turkey. This is probably the most popular vacation spot for Russian tourists. The population of the country is about 80 million people. The main part of the state's territory falls on the Anatolian Peninsula and the Armenian Highlands, and the Balkan Peninsula got a smaller one. However, this country can also be considered Balkan. Croatia. The capital is Zagreb. The population is just over 4 million people. This country has tons of places to fall in love with, nature reserves, lakes, lighthouses, and much more. Montenegro. Another tiny Balkan country for a cozy and unhurried vacation in winter and summer. The capital is Podgorica. The population is just over 600,000 people. Kosovo. The capital is Pristina. The population is a little less than 2 million people. This republic is a partially recognized state. In fact, it is a breakaway part of Serbia. Due to the turbulent recent past, the country is not very popular with tourists. However, there is something to see here: forts, cathedrals, monasteries, and other architectural monuments. On the Balkan Peninsula, 12 full-fledged countries and one partially recognized state are located, both as a whole and only in fragments. Thanks for watching.